Hello everyone, I welcome you again for this lecture, and today we will be talking about the drainage system of Chhattisgarh Part 3. Yes, I have already made two parts of it. If you haven't watched that, please watch because it is in continuation. And I would like to remind you that here at Purvanchal IAS, we are providing you full course of CGPSC along with Chhattisgarh Special, so you can take advantage of it by just being at home. Just go to Google Play Store, download the Purvanchal IAS app and access through our online classes for different courses like UPSC, CGPSC, UPPSC, MPPSC, etc. We have courses for subjects like social issues, ethics, international relation, internal security, polity governance, disaster management, and so on. You can take the look of them by going through the app. Now let me begin with the third part of drainage system. In my earlier two parts, I have already covered Mahanadi drainage system and Godavari drainage system, and I would inform you again that in Chhattisgarh, we basically have 5 drainage system of rivers: Mahanadi, Godavari, Son Ganga, Brahmani and Narmada. So today I will begin with Son Ganga drainage system. See, this Son Ganga drainage system is basically the part of Ganga drainage system. You know river Ganga, which flows in the upper part of India, and Son is a very important tributary of Ganga, and that is why it is referred to as Son Ganga drainage system. This Son Ganga drainage system is basically found in the northern part of Chhattisgarh, the northern boundaries of Chhattisgarh. See, the slope of this northern Chhattisgarh is towards north, and that is why the flow of the rivers is upward, like the river starts from here and then goes upward. We will see this in the map also. One thing I would like to tell here is that Son river does not flows in Chhattisgarh. It's the tributaries of Son river which actually flows from Chhattisgarh. And this Son drainage, Ganga drainage system is basically the third largest drainage system of Chhattisgarh, having the catchment area of around 13.63%. First is largest drainage is Mahanadi, then we have Godavari, and then this is Son Ganga drainage system. You can see this is the upper part of Chhattisgarh, or you can say the northern part of Chhattisgarh. And here we have Ganga river flowing from here, you can see. And then this is Son river coming from Ganga. This one is Ganga. From here comes the Son river, and then basically it goes to Narmada river. So Narmada system also we will see a little later. And we have the tributaries of Son coming here in Chhattisgarh, basically flowing from Chhattisgarh. We have Kanhar from Jashpur, Kanhar river. This one is Jashpur. Rihand from Sarguja, Gopad, Korea, Banas river from Korea, and Bijala also from Korea. I am sure you are aware of the map. If you are not, kindly learn it because it's very important. So you have to learn all these districts, and here I can remind you that from here passes the Tropic of Cancer also. I have told you in geographical extent, just for a revision. Now let us see about the tributaries of this Son river which originates in Chhattisgarh and drains the area. The very important Kanhar river. It basically originates from Jashpur district. There is a place called as Bakhona Peak from where the Kanhar river originates, and it flows from the area of Jashpur and Balrampur. So it basically drains the part of Jashpur and Balrampur. See, this is Jashpur and this is Balrampur, and this Kanhar river also marks the boundary between Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. This is Jharkhand. I have told you, I've actually taught you this, that which state touches the boundary of Chhattisgarh. So here we have Jharkhand touching the boundary of Chhattisgarh with these two states, Balrampur and Jashpur, and Kanhar river makes a boundary between the two. So please remember this. Then there is an archaeological site known as Dipadi. This you would have studied in your ancient history Chhattisgarh. And this is situated in Balrampur district near the Kanhar river or on the bank of Kanhar river. And there are two waterfalls also which are near to Kanhar river. One is Kothali waterfall and the other one is Povai waterfall. Coming to Rihand river, you might have heard the name a number of times. Rihand is also a very important river, and it is called as the lifeline of Sarguja. It has its origin also from Sarguja, from a place called as Matiranga in the Udaipur hills of Sarguja district, and it flows through Sarguja, Surajpur and Balrampur district. There is a dam constructed with the name of same Rihand river, having Rihand dam, And there is a reservoir also which is being constructed, that is Govind Vallabh Pant Reservoir. And there is a very, very beautiful waterfall, that is Rakshagandha waterfall, which is a very, very beautiful sight to look at. Here you have Rihand river in Sarguja. This is Surajpur and this is the part of Balrampur. So this river drains all of these parts, originates from here and go towards this. Now you can understand that I am telling you their origin point also. Kanhar river originates from Jashpur, flows upward towards north. I told you the flow of the river is upward because the slope is northern side. Same is with Rihand, originates from Matiranga and then flows from here and goes to Son, or basically meets with this Son. Then now we have Banas river. This Banas river originates from Korea, from Manjotali hills of Korea, and its famous tributary is Gopad, which originates from Sonhat Plateau, Korea. There is another river known as Neyur river, which forms the boundary between Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. So you have to remember all of these important tributaries of Son. This was all about Son drainage system. Now let's come to a very small drainage system, that is Brahmani drainage system. It is just 1.03% of the total drainage system of Chhattisgarh and its catchment area is 1423 kilometers square. It has two main tributaries, out of which only one tributary flow here in Chhattisgarh, that is Sanak river. Another one is the Koel river, but it flows in the Jharkhand area. So there is only this Sanak river which flows in Chhattisgarh. So the Brahmani drainage system is really, really small. Only thing that you need to remember is this percent of total drainage and this Sanak river which flows, and you may also remember this another tributary. Next we have is the Narmada drainage system. This is the smallest of all the drainage system because it covers only 0.55%. Mahanadi is the first, second is Godavari, then is the Son Ganga, then is Brahmani and then Narmada. So likewise 5 drainage systems we have. Narmada has two tributaries, Banjar and Tada, and they both originates from Kavardha district of Chhattisgarh, which is also known as Kabir Dham. And Banjara is the longest river flowing towards west direction. Okay, here you can take a look of the map. Here we have Madhya Pradesh and Narmada river originates from Madhya Pradesh. I hope you know that, and here the river is flowing, and from here their two tributaries are coming, basically not coming. Here Banjar river is going and from here goes the Tada river, and then they meet here and then they become the part of Narmada. So they are the west flowing river, and this Banjar river is considered to be the largest west flowing river for Chhattisgarh. This is the Kavardha district. This area is also called as Maikal range because you have Maikal mountains here. This is a rain shadow area of Chhattisgarh because of this Maikal, and this also forms a boundary between, you can see, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. So this is the smallest drainage system, Narmada. So today we have completed the drainage system of Chhattisgarh in 3 parts. I have already covered the Mahanadi drainage system in the first part, the Godavari drainage system in the second part, and in this third part we have already taken a look of Son Ganga drainage system, Brahmani drainage system and Narmada drainage system. And we here at Purvanchal IAS are providing you full course of CGPSC. So I advise you to just sit back at home, relax, take our courses and get success. Till then, take care, keep healthy and keep safe.